द अल्केमी ऑफ नेचर म्हणजे निसर्गाची किमया हा 3.5 10th स्टँडर्ड इंग्लिशमधला धडा आहे आणि याचा इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप आपण इथे सोडणार आहोत. तर नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रमैत्रिणी, तुम्हा सगळ्यांचे स्वागत आहे सपनाज होमस्कूलिंग या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये. आणि आता आपण या इंग्लिश वर्कशॉपचे सर्व प्रश्नांची उत्तरे इथे सोडणार आहोत. तर तत्पूर्वी आपण मार्जिन क्वेश्चन जे आहे, जे की साईड क्वेश्चनसुद्धा आपण यांना म्हणतो, यांची आपण उत्तरे इथे लिहूयात. तर माझं नाव आहे सपना टीचर, मी पुणे जिल्ह्यातनं आहे. तुम्ही कुठून माझा व्हिडिओ बघताय मला सांगा. एक्सप्लेन द लाईन नेचर विस्पर्स अँड कमांड्स. त्याचा अर्थ असा होतो, द लाईन नेचर विस्पर्स अँड कमांड्स मीन्स दॅट नेचर डज नॉट टेल अस what to do in a loud, angry manner, and yet human beings can never go against nature. Ultimately, we have to do as nature wants. Hence, nature is a great leader that gets the job done without making any extravagant noises or gestures. Next, what smiles with the sun and dances with the wind? Answer: the hibiscus flower smiles with the sun and dances with the wind. What lesson do we learn from the hibiscus plant? Answer: the lesson we learn from the hibiscus plant is to live our life in full splendor. We should live our life to the fullest no matter how short it is. What kind of rock did the author find on the beach? Answer: the author found a rock that was carved, sculpted and shaped by the water of the ocean. The rock is hard, but is it dominating? Give reason for your answer. Answer: the rock is not dominating. The reason for this is that the rock may be hard, but ultimately it gives in and takes the shape the water commands. The water from the ocean through the years carves, sculpts and shape the rock the way it wants. In what condition was the tree in cold winter month? Answer: the tree was the bare of all leaves in the cold winter months. What do we learn from small bits of grass? Answer: the lesson we learn from small bits of grass is that however impossible things may look, there is always an opening. What do we find in the infinite sky? Answer: we find innumerable stars shining across the infinite sky. How can learning from nature help human beings? Answer: learning from nature can help human beings in so many ways. To begin with, from nature we learn the value of perseverance and patience. We can motivate ourselves knowing how difficult a situation may be. It will pass and we always have hope. Things can change in due time and we too can evolve just like bare nature turns to incredible beauty with changing seasons. नाव इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप. मित्रांनो, आपण साईड क्वेश्चन सगळे सोडवलेत. आता इंग्लिश वर्कशॉपच्या प्रश्नोत्तरांना सुरुवात करूयात. गो थ्रू द नेक्स्ट अगेन अँड कम्प्लीट द वेव. हायलाइट द वेरियस फीचर्स ऑफ फ्लावर हिबिस्कस प्लांट. वन इज डन फॉर यू. Flower blooms every fortnight. Second, it is big, bright and tender. As evening approaches, it starts wilting. It withers completely and by evening it falls and becomes one with the earth again. आमच्याकडे व्हाईट, पिंक, येलो, ऑरेंज कलरचे हिबिस्कसचे प्लांट आहेत. तुमच्याकडे कोणत्या कलरचे हिबिस्कसचं प्लांट आहे किंवा फूल आहे आम्हाला नक्की सांगा. शेअरिंग इज केअरिंग. आपण शेअर करायचं आपली इन्फॉर्मेशन. खूप मित्रमैत्रिणी वाचतात. The writer explains the contrasting feature of water and rock in the text. Write all the feature of both water and rock in the given table. Water gentle, water commands, water flows, water is persistent. Rock hard, rock gives in, rock is moved by water, and rock gets carved, sculpted and shaped by the water. Next question. Impossible, it means I am possible. Do you agree? Justify your answer by citing some examples from the text and some that you have experienced or heard from someone. Answer. प्रश्न कळाला का? इम्पॉसिबल हा शब्द आपण इम्पॉसिबल त्यात आय एम पॉसिबल दडलेलं आहे, तर तुम्ही उदाहरणाचे स्पष्ट करायचं आहे. उत्तर: आय अग्री विथ द स्टेटमेंट दॅट एव्हरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल. द फॉलोइंग एक्झाम्पल्स जस्टिफाय माय आन्सर. ants are so tiny and fragile and yet they are able to lift up more than 10 times their weight. Army of ants working together can even pick up a huge fly or insect on their backs. I have seen on television about a girl who was born without hands. Yet today she is an incredible painter as she learned to use the toes of her feet to paint. I have heard of a person who was blind and yet they managed to climb Mount Everest. Next question. Find synonyms from the text for the following words phrases. मित्रांनो, synonyms म्हणजे समानार्थी शब्द. Strong feeling of fear or respect means awe. To direct authoritatively commands. To peer through, peeping through. Next. Large and impressively beautiful, majestic, easily broken or damaged, delicate. Question 5. How can you prove this maxim to be incorrect? Too many cooks spoil the broth. Write a counter view on the given topic. मित्रांनो, आपण असं म्हणतो ना मराठीत 7 सुगरणी आणि भोपळा अळणी, तशीच म्हणे की too many cooks spoil the broth. उत्तर याचं, the saying too many cooks spoil the broth suggests that when many people work on the same task, the result may get spoiled. However, this is not always true. In many situations, teamwork helps us achieve better and faster results. When people share ideas, divide responsibilities, and support one another, the outcome often improves. We can learn this from nature and from sports. A cricket or football team wins only when all players work together with unity and coordination. Similarly, in real life too, cooperation helps society grow when many hands join together for a purpose. Great achievements become possible. Therefore, the maxim is not always correct because teamwork often leads to success. Next question. Make a list of all the words related to the word ocean. Fishes, salty water, beach, rocks, kelp, coral and waves. मित्रांनो, हा प्रश्न हमखास परीक्षेला येतो, त्यामुळे लक्षात ठेवा. 7 number question. The author has very positively described the different things in nature. Discuss with your partner the special feature of each one of them. Add on the list. आता इथे जागा कमी असल्यामुळे आपण प्रत्येकाचं स्पेशल फीचर आणि व्हॅल्यू लर्न इथे लिहिली आहे. जसं की आता हे वॉटर आहे, पार्ट ऑफ नेचर वॉटर. स्पेशल फीचर आहे, इट इज जेंटल, फ्लोज वेअर इट कॅन अँड हॅज नो इगो बट कॅन शेप रॉक्स ओव्हर टाइम. Value learned, it does not matter how colossal our problems are, we can overcome if we remain persistent. Next, rainbow. Part of nature is rainbow. Special feature colors the entire sky. Value learned, beauty can appear at any time and anywhere in nature. Third is caterpillar. Special feature turns into a beautiful butterfly. And value learned, things can change and we should never judge someone by their looks. Next is hibiscus. Special feature, it is big, bright and tender, lives only for a day. Value learned, we should live our life to its fullest no matter how short. Next is grass. Special feature, they can grow through any small cracks anywhere. Value learned, however impossible things may look, there is always an opening. Next is tree. Special feature, bears its leaves in winter but it is full of greenery in spring. Value learned, we should have conviction that however difficult things are the moment, it will not remain so forever. It will pass. And next is ant. Part of nature. Special feature, they are carry 10 times their weight when they work together. Value learned, we can achieve anything with teamwork and perseverance. Next is spider web. Special feature, delicate but strong. Value learned, do not underestimate the power of things no matter how delicate or fragile they may seem. Oyster. Special features, they take in a grain of sand, they open up with a pearl. Value learned, we can always transform ourselves with the right ingredients. Next is wind. Special feature, can make trees dance. Value learned, even the strongest obstacle can bend with the persistence. Next question is, your friend has his board exam. He studies for 14 hours a day, sitting at one place. Write a letter to him, giving him tips to relax and be stress free. मित्रांनो, एक तर परीक्षेसाठी फार महत्त्वाचं आहे, कारण पत्रलेखन कसं करायचं तुम्हाला कळणार आहे. हे इन्फॉर्मल लेटर आहे. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट, तुम्ही पण बोर्डाचा पेपर देताय तर तुम्हाला पण यातनं काहीतरी टिप्स मिळणार आहे. त्यामुळे तुम्ही नीट पत्र वाचा आणि लिहा. तो ॲड्रेस नेहमी लेफ्ट हँड साईडला लिहायचा आहे. तर कुमारनगर, कातवी रोड, पुणे पिनकोड द्यायचा आहे. आणि तारीख लिहायची आपली, तर 22 नोव्हेंबर 25. जर तारीख दिली असेल प्रश्नपत्रिकेत तर ती द्या, नाही तर तुम्ही लिहा. Dear Rajesh, I hope you are fine. I came to know that you are studying for 14 hours a day for your board exams. Hard work is important, but it is equally important to stay relaxed and stress-free. First of all, take a short breaks after every 1 or 2 hours of study. Stretch your body or walk a little. It will refresh your mind. Do some light exercise every day to avoid tiredness from long sitting. Eat healthy food and drink enough water. Sleeping at least 7 to 8 hours will keep your mind active. Remember to breathe deeply whenever you feel stressed. It helps to calm the mind. Also, talk to your family or friends for a few minutes. A small chat or laughter can reduce stress. Stay positive and trust your preparation. You have worked hard, so believe in yourself. I wish you all the best for your board exams. Convey my regards to uncle and auntie. Looking forward to meeting you after the exam. Your loving friend XYZ. मित्रांनो, तुम्ही किती तास अभ्यास करता सांगा बरं. तुमच्या कमेंट्स इतर मित्र पण वाचतील, त्यांनाही जरा प्रेरणा मिळेल. त्यामुळे खऱ्या खऱ्या कमेंट्स करून सांगा. ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे आपला, यू हॅव अन एन्व्हायरमेंट प्रोटेक्शन वीक, म्हणजे पर्यावरण संरक्षण सप्ताह. To be celebrated in your school, you have invited an environmentalist. You have to interview her about how to save environment. Frame about 10 to 12 questions for the interview. चला, आपण प्रश्न विचारायचे त्यांना तयार करूया. आणि हा सुद्धा प्रश्न परीक्षेला येतो, त्यामुळे दोन्ही गोष्टीसाठी महत्त्वाचा आहे. What is the biggest threat to our environment today? Second, how can students help in saving the environment? Third, what steps should the government take to control pollution? Fourth, why are people careless about environmental protection? पर्यावरण संरक्षणाबद्दल लोक इतके निष्काळजी का आहेत? And fifth, what are the best sources of clean energy? 6, how can we reduce greenhouse gases? 7, what changes are needed in cities and villages to protect the environment? 8, what daily habits should we adopt to avoid harming nature? 9, what challenges do you face as an environmentalist? 10, how can we spread more awareness in society? 11, what the 3 actions are most urgent to save the environment? 12, what advice would you give today's youth about protecting nature? मित्रांनो, कसे वाटले हे प्रश्न? तुम्हाला काही ॲड करायचं असेल तुम्ही करू शकता. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, राईट अ न्यूज रिपोर्ट ऑन द एन्व्हायरमेंट डे सेलिब्रेटेड इन युअर स्कूल. मित्रांनो, कायम लक्षात ठेवा, पर्यावरण दिन हा 5 जूनला होतो साजरा. त्यामुळे आपण ते डोक्यात ठेवायची तारीख. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट, हाही प्रश्न परीक्षेला कंपल्सरी असतो न्यूज राईटचा की न्यूज रिपोर्टचा. आन्सर असं लिहायचं आहे, एन्व्हायरमेंटल डे सेलिब्रेटेड ॲट तिलक हायस्कूल. तुमच्या शाळेचं नाव तुम्ही लिहा. कोणी प्रेझेंट केला, तर इथे केतकी काळे स्टुडंट रिपोर्टर आहे. तुमच्या शाळेत वेगळा असू शकतो. पुणे 5 जून 2025. तिलक हायस्कूल पुणे सेलिब्रेटेड एन्व्हायरमेंट डे ऑन 5 जून विथ ग्रेट एन्थुझियाझम. आणि सगळी बातमी भूतकाळात येणार आहे, कारण घटना घडून गेली आहे. सो पास्ट टेन्स वापरायचं आहे. The program was organized on the school playground. The principal addressed the students and explained the importance of protecting our environment. The celebration began with an awareness rally through the nearby village. The chief guest, social activist Medha Patkar, accompanied the students and encouraged them throughout the rally. Various activities like posters, street plays, speeches, and cultural performances were presented based on the theme Save Environment. Students discussed important topics such as pollution control, tree plantation, conservation of water, and the role of citizens in protecting nature. In her inspiring speech, Medha Patkar guided the students with practical tips for creating a greener future. Her presence motivated everyone. The program ended with a pledge to save the environment The school management announced that the event would be celebrated every year to spread environmental awareness. Now the next question is, develop a story with the given ending, give a suitable title and moral. एक सांगते मित्रांनो, इथे आपल्याला एंडिंग दिलं अँड सो आदिती डिसाइडेड टू प्लांट मोर ट्रीज. सेम अशाच प्रकारचा प्रश्न परीक्षेला येतो, सो हाही खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. तर आपण उत्तर लिहायचे. टायटल देणार आहे आदितीज ग्रीन लेगसी. द ट्री दॅट स्पोक टू आदिती असं आपण टायटल दिले. आदिती लव्ड वॉकिंग थ्रू द स्मॉल गार्डन नियर हर स्कूल. One evening, she noticed that the biggest neem tree in the garden looked dry and weak. She went closer and touched its trunk. Suddenly, a dry leaf fell near her feet as if the tree was trying to talk to her. Aditi felt sad. She remembered how children used to play under its shade and how birds built nests on its branches. But now the tree stood lonely because many other trees around it had been cut down. That night, Aditi couldn't sleep. She kept thinking, if trees could really speak, what would they ask from us? The next morning, with new determination, she bought a few saplings म्हणजे रोपं, using her pocket money, and she planted them around the old neem tree and watered them, म्हणजे पाणी घातलं. Carefully, seeing her, other children also come forward to help. Slowly the garden started looking green again. Birds returned and the place once again became lively. Aditi realized that one small effort creates a big change. And so Aditi decided to plant more trees. Now the next question is just for laugh. फक्त हसण्यासाठी divide the class into two groups. On 12 to 15 slips of paper, group write 12 to 15 conditional clauses. बिगिनिंग विथ इफ. तर तुम्ही कंडिशन क्लॉज म्हणजे काय, जर तर, जर तू असं केलं तर मी असं करेल, जर असं झालं तर ते इफ न आपण दर्शवतो. इथे फॉर एक्झाम्पल दिलेलं आहे बघा. वन स्टुडंट फ्रॉम ग्रुप ए रीड्स द फर्स्ट कंडिशनल क्लॉज अँड द बी ग्रुप रीड्स द फर्स्ट मेन क्लॉज. इट फॉर्म्स क्रेझी सेंटेन्सेस. आपण मज्जा करायचं बरं का. आता इथे आन्सर लिहायचं पहिलं. इफ आय वर्क व्हेरी हार्ड आय वुड हॅव पिझ्झा. If I get up late, I shall play video games. If I go to school, I would jump up and down. If the sun rises in the west, I would yell, "Mommy, save me." If I get a phone call, I would marry a stranger. If we run the match, I would break everything. आहे की नाही मजेशीर. आणखीन पण पुढे बरं का. If the water drips on the floor, I would go ice skating. If I started to meditate, I would lose my brain. If I got hurt, I would sing a lullaby. And lullaby म्हणजे माहिती ना, अंगाई गीत. If I feel sad, I would ride a pony. If I write a story, I shall cook with it. Now the match the pairs of antonyms. Antonyms म्हणजे विरुद्धार्थी शब्द आहेत. हे सुद्धा फार महत्त्वाचे, हे सुद्धा परीक्षेला येतात. So everything is important. Gentle opposite strong, impossible opposite possible, colossal opposite small, short opposite long, difficult opposite easy, and delicate opposite hard. Complete the table. आता हाही फार महत्त्वाचा आहे, कारण नाउन, वर्ब, ॲडजेक्टिव्ह, ॲडवर्ब हे एकाच शब्दापासून होतात बघा. स्ट्रेंथन वर्ब होतो, स्ट्रॉंग ॲडजेक्टिव्ह, आणि ॲडवर्ब होतो स्ट्रॉंगली. पॅशनचं वर्ब काहीच नाही होत, ॲडजेक्टिव्ह होतं पॅशनेट आणि पॅशनेटली. इथे नाउन काय, वर्ब आहे चेंज, चेंजचं नाउन होतं चेंज, ॲडजेक्टिव्ह होतं चेंज्ड, आणि ॲडवर्ब नाहीचे. नाउन होतं ऑर्गनायझेशन, वर्ब काय होतं ऑर्गनाइज, ॲडजेक्टिव्ह होतं ऑर्गनायझेबल, आणि ॲडवर्ब होतं ऑर्गनाइज्डली. ओके मित्रांनो, तर इथे तुम्ही आम्हाला जो सपोर्ट करता त्याच्याबद्दल आम्ही खूप तुमचे ऋणी आहोत. आम्हाला अशाच प्रकारे भरभरून सपोर्ट करा आणि हा चॅनल जास्तीत जास्त लोकांपर्यंत पोहोचवा. मित्रांनो, सगळ्या मित्रांना हा व्हिडिओ पाठवून द्या बरं, कारण हा खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. म्हणजे त्यांचाही फायदा होईल आणि तुमचाही फायदा होईल. सो ऑल द बेस्ट एक्झामसाठी. छान प्रिपेअर करा. व्हिडिओ आवडत असेल तर लाईक करा पटापट आणि चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा.